Today, we are touring a beautiful Rambler located at 5103 44th Street South in Fargo. That's in the Woodhaven development. This home features 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 3 garage stalls. Let's take a look inside. So as you come into this home, you're greeted with this awesome living room that has a gas fireplace and then a nice big window for lots of natural light, and all of the windows in this home are going to be Rusco windows. So here we are in the kitchen, and the dining room now is going to come with stainless steel appliances. And if you're looking for that partially closed off kitchen dining room area off of your living room, this is a must see. Entering into the master bedroom now, we have a ceiling fan, another big window for a lot of natural light. You have 2 different closets, and then your own private bathroom. So here we are down on the lower level where we've got this massive living room, where we've got this great entertainment center, plenty of room for a ping pong table or pool table, and then custom wainscoting around the entire lower level. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of this beautiful Rambler in the Woodhaven area.